Over the last weeks, especially in my live sessions with other developers, I've seen the same thing come up again and again. People know .NET, they know Blazor, but when it comes to actually building something real, things start to feel messy or slow. And now with AI tools like Copilot, it's kind of confusing as well. Like, how do you actually use this properly in a real project, right? So I thought, why not just do it together? So I'm planning a live online workshop where we start from scratch, build a small Blazor app, use AI to speed things up, and then actually deploy it to Azure. All in about 2 hours. Nothing fancy, no huge setup, just a real app built step by step with the focus on how you think about things while you're building. This is probably not for complete beginners, but if you already have some experience and you want to get faster, get unstuck and actually ship something, this could be really useful. And the goal is simple. At the end, you have something running in the cloud and a much clearer idea of how to use AI in your daily work. So if that sounds interesting to you, you can join the waitlist below. I'll send you the details once everything is ready.